So what is the name of this hairstyle, please? What is the name of this hairstyle, please? Okay. This is
All the beautiful ladies in the house, all the backsliders, stand up for yourself to fly.
We're doing it with our local talent. And now, our second act for talent, and we have Paulette Santan.
Look how I'm try, I know what to do, I'm you are start to cry. Dead in bed.
do you mind telling me the name of this style? If it have one? Okay, thanks. Let me see you look out reindeer, something going on. Turn for me.
And then we're going to follow that
Alright, stay
model
right
with
there. Turn. Wow, thank you.
Mavian Stanley. Have you reached your result? We're going to go back to the first contestant. And we're going to take all the points. Judges, please hold up your points for Chevelle Watson. Chevelle Watson. What a fantastic Sunday afternoon with all my dolls, all my Barbies. My future Barbies, make some noise! Okay. And it's almost my favorite for the audience. The new doctor, go forward for your Sally. Hey. The numbers are moving. Here we go. Hey. Yes. I know, what are those carrots? I'm eating my vegetables. I love that. Let's eat it. I love it. Alright. And now, here we go. Hey. Alright. Yes, sexy here. She is ready for the catwalk. She wants to show you what she's got. The new doctor brain. Contestant number one. Hey. Get it, girl. Hey. Boy, you're not hearing me. Contestant number three, Shana. What do you say for that beautiful royal blue? She's working it, yes? Alright, good job. Alright, Felicia Murphy, followed by Trudy and Maxwell. 5, G, D. Okay, we got our first 5 contestants in the green category. I do not believe that they are fair. They look good. They look real good. And now we're going to ask Rafina and Henry Styles to go forward. Go forward, number 1, Rafina and Henry. Are you ready? Stay ready. Felicia Taylor, go on up, Felicia. Felicia Taylor. Right now, we're getting down to business. So we're calling on contestant number 1, Felicia Taylor. Felicia Taylor, contestant number 1.
I disbelieve, wait.
Tanisha Dunn, contestant number 2.
So, since it's your style, what's the name of that hairstyle, please?
Tanisha Dunn, contestant number 2.
Bijou Chinese. Look how sweet.
Have you got are you on any social media?
If I'm in any fashion media,
No, social media.
you can see us on the archive or Instagram, and it's very modest. Facebook or Twitter.
Melanie.
Hey, play that one. Girl, is a 10 out of 10. Hey, alright, that's your song. Alright, Tanisha Murphy, go forward. Tanisha, doing her thing with the
Alright, they look good to go. Take your mark. Let's get
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Praise ye the Lord.
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 Hallelujah. What do you know, selector?
I'm going to ball up my throat on phone, no better come. Alright.
Yeah, yeah,